Hello, it's Aki Anastasiou. Welcome to another episode of Next Up. I am so excited. I'm one of those guys that, I lose my keys, I forget my jacket in places. I'm going to be telling you about this new AirTag and why this new AirTag is going to change your life. It's going to help you find things. But before we go anywhere, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And if you haven't yet joined our channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now, because next up, I'm going to be telling you about this Apple AirTag. Yeah, this is AirTags, and they're in South Africa, and I'm just so excited about these AirTags because if you're like me, I always tend to lose my car keys, right? They'll fall in between the couch, or I don't remember where I put them last, and you're in a rush to get somewhere and you're looking for your car keys, you can't find them, or you've misplaced your jacket or your laptop bag, wherever it might be. Well, these AirTags from Apple are a lifesaver for you, and listen why. Firstly, they are IP67 water and dust resistant, so if it falls in water, they're okay. They use a special battery. It's not a special battery. You'll find this battery in the typical sports watches that you find. It's the CR2032 battery. So this will last you about a year. So you want to know how these AirTags work? Well, it uses Bluetooth technology and ultra-wideband technology to help you locate this to an exact area. It's not like, oh, it's somewhere around here, in a space of like 5 meters squared. It'll actually guide you to exactly where it is. And how do they do it? Well, it uses Apple's Find Me network. Now, the Apple Find Me network is approaching almost 1 billion Apple devices, so it means that it's going to be a lot easier for you to find something if you've misplaced it. I'm not talking within your home. Let's say you've left this on a bus or you've left this in a shopping center. Once you put this on lost mode, it kind of does this anonymous tracking from all the other devices and helps you find where your particular device is. And if you put it on lost mode, somebody who finds your device and scans this using NFC technology, it'll come up with your details. They can get in touch with you and help you find where your particular lost item is. So it's really, really cool technology. And these Apple AirTags are lifesavers. Yeah, I just love them. I've put one on my car keys, I put one in my jacket, and I put one on my laptop bag. And it's really helped me. I can't tell you how it's helped me. Now, where's my jacket? Where have I put my jacket? This is what it's for, right? Let me see where my jacket is. Now help me as I go and find my jacket, but we also spoke to Nafisa Akabor and journalists Arthur Goldstuck, who told us all about their experience with AirTag and how it's changed their lives too.
Hey everyone, so I've been using Apple's AirTag for a couple of weeks now, and I actually did pre-order the device. My reason for doing that was I already use the Find My interface for my existing gadgets, and I thought it made sense if I'm adding anything else for it to be under one app. So I've attached mine to my car keys. However, you can attach it to a handbag, a pet collar, a running shoe, a luggage, that kind of thing. But for me, I actually tend to misplace my car keys almost every day in my house. Now I just simply have to open the Find My app and it gives me precision directions. So if I'm in my living room and my keys are in my office and I don't know that, it will give me directions down to the T to get into my office. It'll tell me to turn and it'll give me a general indication of where it is until I get to it. So I think this is also very useful if your keys maybe have fallen under the bed or under the couch and that kind of situation. But overall, I do think if you are an Apple user, you might be more inclined to purchase an AirTag over a third-party device because of the seamless interface. And obviously, it takes almost 3 seconds, if not less, to pair because it's instantaneous.
When Apple announced its AirTags, I wondered why they would enter a market that already seemed well served by tracking objects and devices. But when the AirTags arrived, I discovered why. Firstly, it's a very elegant device compared to the Tile, which is pretty ugly, but it's also a far smarter device. And most significantly for me is the extent to which it links up with not a community of tags, the way the Tile does, but a community of phones. So anywhere where there's an iPhone, that could pick up the proximity of the AirTag close by, it can then be tracked from your device no matter where in the world, whereas the tile, for example, depends entirely on the community of tiles to which it can connect, and from there connecting to the network and ultimately to your phone. So there's a far greater likelihood of being able to track the device. What I particularly enjoyed in using it was the accuracy of the map that showed exactly where your tag was. And I had it hidden away, but was able to find it quite easily with an iPhone.
AirTags are a super easy way for you to keep tabs of the items that you love. So, I mean, if you tend to be forgetful like myself and you misplace your car keys or your jacket or your laptop bag, I mean, you can put this anywhere, right? You can even attach it to pets, put them around the collar. You can put this in your makeup bag. This is going to be a lifesaver. It's going to save you a lot of time. Hope you've enjoyed this on Next Up. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you soon on Next Up.